Beira's oceanside Grand Hotel was built in the 1950s when the country was still a Portuguese colony. It had several hundred rooms, a huge swimming pool and a cinema, and it was billed as the grandest hotel in Africa.
So look at this. It's quite a sight. So this is how it was in the 1960s. It looks amazing.
But then Mozambique's brutal war for independence drove the rich tourists away, and the hotel fell into immediate decline.
So this would have been the drive up to the hotel.
Yeah.
Mangori Felisberto offered to show me around.
Yeah, this was the main entrance. Then the reception was somewhere here.
Wow, this is amazing, absolutely amazing. Look, and to the left and to the right, you have these grand staircases that sweep upwards. And there's this amazing sort of atrium here. It still has a very grand feel about it.
The hotel may have been abandoned by tourists, but it was clearly far from empty. In fact, the rooms have become somewhat overcrowded.
How many people live here?
It's about 3,500.
3,500 people live here now.
Yeah.
A long civil war followed independence from Portugal, and the hotel became a refugee camp for thousands of Mozambicans. Since then, poverty has driven many more to find shelter here.
But this was a swimming pool. And there's a man doing his washing, his laundry, in what's left of the swimming pool.
There's little in the way of sanitation, and all the residents share one water pump.
Although the conditions within the hotel are pretty bad, this is still very much a community. It's like a town within a town, really. And there are committees to organise various aspects of life here. Whoop. Como está?